Good afternoon. This is a presentation on Whip It Up Etude, or how I wrote a script to take control of the browser in logging into Azure. I created a script with a touch of anime flavor to help with this presentation. You ready, Zira?
Of course I am. I've been waiting 3000 milliseconds.
Well, let's show the membership what we did.
Okay, since you're standing there, let's do that.
I had the recurring irritant, that when I wanted to access my Azure dashboard, I had to go through 2 logins, and that is because I was using Chrome browser, as it worked best in my environment, and a proxy server login. It took a few steps, and because of proxy server required yet another login. Something not required on IE or Edge web browsers.
I can help with that. It would be ideal to script it.
Yeah, but PowerShell is PowerShell, not Windows.
Well, no. PowerShell is an orchestrator. It can coordinate and automate things.
Maybe there is a way to send keystrokes to the open window and control it that way. But I need to figure out how to write a script to accomplish that.
So do some research.
That's called Whip It Up Etude. Sitting down and trying things and figuring out and trying different ways to do things in scripting. Once you have a requirement, you can figure out what to do. So I searched the internet to find a solution.
You mean Google searched the internet?
Well, yeah, Google knows everything. The trick is asking the right questions. So this is what I eventually found. Zyra, would you open the web page for me?
Opening.
Thanks to Massimo Sandin, and sharing this on his blog. I looked through this and copied it into ISE. The code has been available for a while and it looked great for what I needed. Zyra, would you open it in ISE for me?
Opening in Windows PowerShell ISE.
I use it as a function, so I could load it and have it available for my script to use.
Loading function.
This creates a function, and obviously it provides no output. Now let's open a window notepad and test it. Zyra, would you open it for me?
Opening notepad.
Let's find the Windows title of this notepad session.
Running script.
We found the window title of notepad with this. Now let's see if we can send to the application window. We can now use the function to send text to the window. Okay, that should do the trick. I added the code to find the title of the application and pass it to the notepad window.
Running script. You sent text to notepad, whoopee. What is the big deal?
Well, it is a big deal, because I can send text to any window, and that includes a web browser. And conveniently, Chrome labels all the windows it has viewable, that we can address them. And that is the basis of much more capability.
Now what?
I worked out what the window titles were for Chrome, and how to open Chrome browser up. Assembled the code to identify the windows, and what text to send. Also I added some code to handle the login name, and the password for the firewall securely.
Opening Start Azure script.
Running the result will not work without internet connectivity, but I did record a presentation of the script's operation.
This is the shortcut that opens the PowerShell script. Opening Chrome browser to Azure portal website. Entering email.
Well, that was our quick demo.
So are we done yet?
Well, almost. Humans like to see each other fumble with tech on stage.
A primitive form of communication?
The original. Smiley face.
Excuse me, but I would like to comment. There is an old geekish curse. It goes, be nice to me, or I will replace you with a script. Today's demonstration has been done with a script. Just to prove that it is no idle threat.
Thanks, Zira. Wouldn't it just be nicer to say that? It is getting so that you can automate just about anything with PowerShell.
Yes, PowerShell forever.
Indeed. Thank you for viewing our demonstration. Visit our blog, write-ps at blogspot.com.